Do you want to pick colors faster while drawing on IbisPaint X app? In this video, I will show you how to enable the eyedropper shortcut on the IbisPaint X app so you can grab colors instantly while drawing. So let's go to see how it works. First thing you have to do is to go to this application. You will find the sign of settings. You will enter to settings, and then here in this page what you have is this feature of quick eyedropper. You have to click here. If this color change to this blue color, then you will know how to enable quick eyedropper on the application of IbisPaint X app. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.